Greetings fellow Decepticons, Soundblaster1987 here, continuing my Ryusoulger reviews with Dimevolcano. As you can see, it's a giant fiery dimetrodon robot, which comes with the MeraMeraSoul, which gives the Ryusoulgers the MeraMera battle armour. As you can see, it flips up the same way that the Gokaiger Ranger keys do, as well as the other Ryusouls I have already shown off in my Kishiryu-Oh 5 Nights multi-part review. For size comparison with Dimevolcano, here we have Tyramigo, the main component of the Kishiryu-Oh combinations. As you can see, Tyrannosaurus Rex, much bigger than the Dimetrodon, as it should be, because the Dimetrodon was pretty much the last pre-dinosaur reptile to pre-exist before the dinosaurs, and it was a pretty small little thing. So, in order to combine these two, first, take the Dimevolcano component completely to pieces, like so. Remove this piece and put it off to one side, because it's not going to be used for this combination. It's only required for the combination between Tyramigo, Dimevolcano, and Kishiryu-Oh, which I don't currently own. So stay tuned for that review in future. Next, get Tyramigo into battle mode, as per my Kishiryu-Oh 1 Night review, like so. Then remove the drill pieces like so. Have the sail being held as a weapon in one arm, and have the drills attached to the Dimevolcano head's mini sail thing, upside down, attached to the chest like so. Dimevolcano's legs are now going to turn into cannons, which will be attached like so. Similar to the way the diesel rushers components combine with Choto-Q-Oh and Choto-Q-Dio. So, next, the tail is going to be another weapon in this arm, like so. And finally, the MeraMeraSoul becomes the helmet. And here we have MeraMeraSoul. As far as I can tell, I haven't seen Ryusoulger, only Dino Fury, so this is the T-Rex Blazing Zord, as far as I'm concerned. Unfortunately, it leaves the cannons, the Tyramigo head, the Tyramigo tail, and this piece completely off to one side with nothing to do. You can cobble together something to use up all the available spots on the backpack, but that makes it all extra top-heavy and such like. For those who don't know, this piece here becomes an additional faceplate to go over the, MeraMeraSoul for the combination with the red and gold mechas together with Dimevolcano, which I'll show off eventually once I've got Kishiryu-Neptune. Because Dimevolcano also has the ability to combine with Kishiryu-Neptune on its own to form Spino Thunder, an electric-powered Spinosaurus. So, as you can see, articulation is the same as on the original Tyramigo battle mech. Ratcheted shoulders, nothing at the head. Legs move for transformation only, and so on and so forth. For size comparison, here it is with most of the Samurai Gigazord from the American Power Rangers Samurai toy line, which is falling apart a bit. And that more or less concludes my review. I have been Soundblaster1987. Join me next time when I'll be starting a series of Pseudo Chronicle Candy Toy Kamen Rider reviews with Sasord from Kamen Rider Kabuto. Till then, till all are one. and may the power protect you, always.